welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Let's continue spreading love and uplift our Christmas spirits by making something delicious. Today, let's make Pinoy Style Macaroons. From my kitchen and from my family to yours, Merry Christmas! Pinoy Style Macaroons are one of my utmost favorite dessert during Christmas kasi it brings back childhood memories na pag Pasko, pagkakainin mo siya, tatanggalin mo yung kanyang cupcake liners and it is very chewy on the inside and it has a crispy top. So guys, I am very excited to share this recipe with you all and let's get started. So guys, for the recipe that we'll be doing today, the ingredients that we need are, we have 2 room temperature eggs, we have our desiccated coconut, all-purpose flour, sugar, coconut cream powder, vanilla extract, baking powder, condensed milk, and our melted butter. So, umpisahan na natin. So guys, our first step is to preheat our oven to 350 degrees and then isi-sift natin yung iilan nating dry ingredients. So let's start with our flour, our sugar, baking powder, and yung ating coconut cream powder. Make sure nasa idin lang natin lahat. So, ayan. I-sift lang natin. And by sifting, nahahalo na rin yung ating mga ingredients. So, ayan. And then, kung meron kayong hand mixer or of course your stand mixer, doon na natin gagawin yung susunod nating step. So, our next step, pag gagamit tayo ng stand mixer, ito na siya. Ika-crack ko lang yung ating 2 eggs. And then, we will beat it until medyo parang frothy na siya. So, ito na guys. Okay na yung consistency ng ating egg. I will add the rest of our ingredients. Kagaya ng ating condensed milk. So, the measurements will be listed on the description box below. So, for the recipe that I'm doing today, kalahati lang yung gagawin ko. So, if you're making a big batch, then pwede nyo lang doblehin yung recipe. So, yan. Then, ilalagay ko na rin yung ating butter. always make sure that you are using good quality butter. And then yung ating vanilla extract. And then, imimix ko lang siya ulit ng konti bago ko i-add yung ating flour mixture. So, yan na guys. Okay na yung consistency and texture ng ating wet ingredients. I-add ko na yung ating flour mixture. And ihahalo ko lang siya ulit. Ang pinaka last step natin is i-add natin yung ating desiccated coconut. So our last step is to add our desiccated coconut. Ilulubog-lubog ko lang siya para lumambot din yung coconut na gagamitin natin. And don't forget to scrape the sides of your mixing bowl para just to make sure na lahat ng ingredients ay nahahalo nyo. So I'll give it another mix. So, after giving it a mix, we're all done. Itatabi lang muna natin siya for about a minute or two para mag-soak yung desiccated coconut doon sa iba nating mixture. And then, itatransfer na natin siya doon sa ating cupcake liners. So, guys, here is our baking tray. And niline ko na rin siya nung ating muffin liners. Mini muffin liners. So, ayan. Gumamit lang ako ng iba-ibang color. I have red, yellow, green, and blue. Of course, Christmassy colors, diba? So, mag-i-scoop lang ako ng about 1 tablespoon of our mixture dito sa ating cupcake liners. And we don't wanna make it full. Kasi ayaw naman natin na umawas yung ating mixture. So, just continue doing this. And then, we will put it in our oven. So, guys, ito na. Nailagay ko na yung ating mixture sa ating cupcake liners. And then, ang gagawin ko lang dito, ipe-press ko lang ng konti yung ating mixture. Just to make sure na nandun, pupunta talaga siya sa pinakailalim. So, here is our macaroons. Ilalagay ko na siya sa oven. And we will bake it at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Guys, ready na yung ating macaroons! Ayan na. Wow, look at that! Ganun ko siya. So guys, here are our macaroons. Tatanggalin ko lang siya dito sa ating baking tray. And i-rest ko lang siya sa wire rack. And then, titikman natin siya after niya mag-cool down. So guys, ready na yung ating macaroons. Ayan na siya. Bango-bango guys. It's so coconutty. So, it's tiki man time! So guys, it's tiki man time! Ito yung part na gusto ko talaga. Yan. Kasi yung parang anticipation na may kakainin ka na masarap, diba? It takes time. So, yan. OMG. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ako! Panalo to, guys. Hindi siya sobrang packed and it has a little bit of air inside. Kaya masarap siya. Hindi kayo mauumay. And higit sa lahat, hindi siya ganun katamis. And yung ginamit ko na secret ingredient, yung coconut cream powder na i-enhance yung flavor ng coconut sa inyong macaroons. Sana naririnig ninyo yung bawat kagat, yung crunch ng coconut. Kaya, sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating Pinoy Style Macaroon recipe for today. And sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. Merry Christmas! See you guys again! Bye!